In this video, I'll show you how to change the earbuds and hooks to achieve the best fit for you. Your BeHear Now headset comes with 3 shapes of silicone earbuds in up to 4 sizes and 3 sets of ear hooks in varying sizes. The most common type and size of buds and hooks have already been attached to the headset. If the default earbuds and hooks do not fit snugly yet comfortably in your ear, remove the default sizes and try different options from the alternatives provided. First, peel off the earbud, and after that, remove the ear hook. Notice the ear hooks are labeled L for left and R for right, and so are the earpieces. Make sure you use the correct set for each side. Next, place the ear hook over the earpiece. Now, push the earbud onto the speaker and make sure it is on tight. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.